Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So I recently hauled the new Tom Ford collection, the Winter 2019 SOLEIL NEIGE. If you have not seen that video, be sure to check it out. It's giving you a little sneak peek as to what's to come for the rest of the week. So for today's video, I have no foundation because I want to try out the new glow drops. I want to try one of the glow sticks. But the star of the show is the eye quad. This one is in number 2, Soleil et Lune. This one with the beautiful minty green. So let's just get to it. Come on, let's get started. So I have no foundation on, and that's because I want to try out these new glow drops in the shade Glacial Rose. This is a bronzed peach shade. I'm going to mix this in with my moisturizer, but you can mix it with your foundation. You can also use it like a liquid highlight and just put it on the high points of your face. But just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, about yay much. And then we're going to twist, pump, and open. Get the little dropper. And let's do about equal parts, would you say? Just going to mix it. And that's what it looks like now. It's actually really pretty. And I'm not going to put any on my forehead just because that's kind of where I get the most oily, but all my cheeks are pretty dry, so I think I can get away with applying it there. There's definitely some very fine shimmer particles. So I've let the combination of moisturizer and glow drops sit for a little bit on my skin, and this is how it's looking. It still has that nice light glow. I don't think it's too much. I like it. It's subtle, and I think it's going to look nice with the foundation. I am going to go ahead and apply my foundation. This is the Flawless Glow Serum Foundation from Tom Ford. It's one of my favorites. I'll link the video if you want to check it out. I love this foundation, but you already knew that. It gives a really nice glow all on its own. So I'm just curious to see how these dewdrops do with it. So I've got my foundation on, my concealer, and all I set was a concealer with a little bit of powder because we're going to be using one of these. In my haul video, I swatched them all for you. So I'm going to go in with shade number 2, SOLEIL NEIGE, this one. I'm going to start with the highlighter, and I'm actually going to just use my finger. That's how easy these products are. Just use your finger for pretty much almost everything, and just perfect it with a sponge if you choose. I mentioned this in the haul video because I did try a few of these glow sticks. This formula, even though it's a cream, and sometimes creams can be like, it's too much work, or a little intimidating for some. But this formula is extremely forgiving. You can just apply and apply and apply, and it just melts into the skin, and it wears so beautifully. And then I'll go over to the blush side, and that looks like this. You can definitely use a brush with this if you choose, but that's going to give you a lot more pigment. I kind of like using my fingers because it just allows it to melt into your skin. Let's move on to this beautiful quad. This is Soleil et Lune. With this collection, it gives me that Snow Queen, Snow Princess, frosty, soft kind of vibe. And when I look at this palette, that's kind of like the vibe I get. So I want to create something like that. I'm not sure what, but like that. I'm going to apply this shade on my lid. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go into that mint shade. I'm going to take my finger and take that white frosty shade and just kind of dab it on the center here. I wanted to just use all of the shades, so I'm going to take that pencil brush and go into this silver shade and put it along my lower lash line. I had to use the star of the show, this mint color, for all over the lid, and I like this palette. It's easy. Each one of these shades individually can be used as just a lid color, and I usually will just grab my bronzer and run that through the crease. As shimmery and as wet looking as these shadows are, there's no fallout. That's just the Tom Ford formula. I think this palette performed well. Let me know which of the two looks was your favorite. And as far as this glow stick goes, it was beautiful. I like how it comes through and just looks like that nice, healthy, beautiful glow. I love that I can use my hands, I can use a brush, I can use a beauty sponge. It's a great, great product. I really like these. I think the glow drops were nice. They do what they say. It's a nice gelée highlighter. You mix with your moisturizer to get a little glow. You can mix with the foundation to get more glow. You can put it all on its own. It's a great little product. Let me know what you guys think about these products. Let me know which look was your favorite. And don't forget to check out the other quads that I posted looks on. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.